Hey guys! So today I am going to be turning ice cream into slime. Yes, you heard me correctly, ice cream slime. Two of my favorite things ever. Some of the slimes in this video are actually available in my Etsy right now, so you guys can get the slimes. My Etsy shop also has free shipping right now, so all the prices are as they are and there's no hidden shipping charges. It's just, that's the price, no shipping. If you enjoy this video, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more awesome videos. Comment down below, if there was one thing that you could turn into slime, what would it be? I would turn a giant ice cream sandwich into slime, which I do in this video, so if you want to see that, keep watching. So this is the first ice cream slime I'm going to show you guys, and it is called Rainbow Popsicle. This slime is actually available in my Etsy right now if you guys want to snatch this slime and mix it yourself. It's based on those popsicles where they have a crunchy layer, and the sprinkles that layer the popsicle feel so cool in the slime, and it gives this really nice look. The texture that this one mixes into is one of my favorites. Butter slimes that can make poking and popping sounds is so much fun to play with. This next slime is the slime version of an ice cream sandwich, and I made this one giant. Oh my gosh, guys, I ended up with like 2 8-ounce containers filled with slime because of this one. To make the ice cream sandwich, first I took some clay. I flattened it out using my rolling pin and then my clay flattener. And then to keep both of them the same size, I used my flattener as guidelines for the sandwich. Next, I used a dotting tool to make it look just like an ice cream sandwich. And guys, this part took forever, so I'm gonna speed it up for you. And once my 2 clay sandwich pieces were complete, I was ready to play with my giant ice cream slime. I ended up using 6 ounces of my new thick and glossy recipe as the middle, and I wasn't even expecting to use that much slime, but I did. Guys, this ice cream sandwich is huge! And now it's time to smush it. If there was a real ice cream sandwich this big, would you eat it? 'Cause I know I would. The end texture was so soft and sizzly. It was so fun to play with. This ice cream slime is cotton candy ice cream from Kawaii Slime Company. This slime is so adorable and it smells just like cotton candy. The slime feels like what I would imagine ice cream to feel like if it was slime. This slime is Rainbow Sherbet. Sherbet. Like, what? How do you say it? Comment down below. How do you say it? Rainbow Sherbet. Anyway, this slime is available in my shop too, so if you want this one, you can get it. The slime in the video, I was actually doing a test to see how long this slime could sit without mixing in colors, and this slime sat for 11 days and it didn't mix. This ice cream slime is from PokisSlimeBash. This one is called Pink Ice Cream and it looks so cute. I love all of the add-ins that she included with this, and she also included this cup, this ice cream cup. Oh my gosh, it's perfect for mixing videos, so I just had to make one. The texture of this slime is so glossy and clicky. Listen to those sounds. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. And comment down below what your favorite ice cream slime was in this video. Bye guys! See ya in the next video.